If you want to make an interesting filterable gallery in your Divi website, let's see how the filterable gallery by Divi Pro works. At first, we are adding filterable gallery module by Divi Pro in our Divi web page. Then we will select images for the gallery, and we are selecting image for the galleries. After activating the Divi Pro in your WordPress website, you will find in your media library images a new field which is called Toque Gallery tags. By adding single or multiple tags, we can filter the images. By these tags, our filter will work as the filter item. Now we are clicking the select button, and as you can see here, a filter bar already appeared. And let's jump to the other settings and options. We are not happy with the image quality, and we will correct from the general and go to the image size and select the medium large. We select the great, and this is the responsive option for the filterable gallery module. We will hide captions. We don't need captions in this case. Go to the design, click on the overlay, click on this color, and make the opacity value this one or a little bit down. Then go to the filter bar, select the background color black and active background color red. Filter rounded color to pixel. Another setting we have missed, this is image, and we don't like sharp like image, so we are make it a little bit rounded. We are done here. Go to the filter bar text and select white. Done. Press the save button and exit the builder. When I'm hitting the fast food, it will show the fast food. If I click junk food, it will show junk food. Click Indian, it will show Indian. If I click Italian, it show Italian. And if I click all images will show here. And again, I would like to show another interesting thing and this filterable module. Then after opening the image, as you can see here, multiple options for the light box here. Now you can understand easily that how this model works and how we can easily implement this module in our Divi website. To know more about our plugins module, features, and tips and tricks, please stay with us and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.